What's up, guys? Hope you like this video. Shout out to Ajax Plays for helping us film it. There's also going to be a video on his channel, so subscribe, link in the description.
All right. Love you guys.
See ya.
Girl, let me get your number. I do. Here you go. For you. No? Love you. Hey, how are you? I'm alright.
They're usually around $80. So.
Yeah, give her this. You got it, right? Good luck with that, man. Hope she likes it. Nasty motherfucker. Fine.
Participating Cemex convenience stores and don't
Excuse me, buddies. What's up? No, not with her.
Were you fanning her part away?
Was that you, man?
I think that was me.
That was him?
I think it was him.
I don't know where the bathroom is in this place. Right there, right there. Sir, bathroom's right there. If you need it. Was that you, man? Well.
Sir, did you just like...
Nope. Sure didn't.
So I guess it was the lady working.
I guess so. Wasn't me.
Did you hear that?
Buddy, you know the bathroom's right there, right?
Dude, that was you. Was it him? 'Cause, I mean, it wasn't me, so it had to be you.
It wasn't me.
Not bad. No?
Ladora said I was born with a skill. Ay, my lawyer say it's guaranteed when he appeal. I got a bad bitch with me and yeah, she's